I have cooperated. तुम्ही अरेस्ट म्हणले ना, तुम्ही बरोबर गाडीत बसून आयला. I have cooperated ना madam. You came to my house, I didn't run away. I cooperated because I'm a law-abiding citizen. I have come now, it's an arrest. I am surprised that today being a Sunday you all have come. So there is some malified interest in this. I can understand what is happening. But I have now regrets. I'm come, I'm going to cooperate. I'm just wanting to meet your PI. Is he coming? What he has told you? What he has informed you? He सांगला ते सांगा नका. Huh? Call करता काही. So I Sunday, I have got a wedding. I told you all also at home, madam, that I have to raise a wedding toast today in Bigfoot. I'm not telling lies. And they are supposed to produce me tomorrow 2:30 in the court. So what arrest? I'm going to go to the police station. I have to go to the now who's gonna do? I'm not worried. I'm not scared about arrest because this is for people of Goa. Huh? No, but how do you get time waste? I have to tell you to be Gara. I have cooperated. I didn't even tell you I was on voting for Gurna. Our Rauna, how I police station. तुमची जीपे बसना पोलिसाच्या फर्स्ट टाइम आय यू ऑल मेड मी फील लाईक अ क्रिमिनल बट आय कॉपरेटेड दिस इज फॉर गोवा अँड गोल्स हांव बसले त्या मोटरान तुमच्या आणि चोरा भाशेन म्हाका तुमी हाडला हांव आयला पूण आतां म्हाका टायम वेस्ट करनाका कितें आसा तें सांगा बिकॉज आय हॅव टू बी प्रोड्यूस टुमॉरो 2:30 16 सो देन इट अरेस्ट कितें लेट PI डिसाइड वो PI डिसाइड और द ऑर्डर्स आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ BJP to get me arrested. I don't mind. Tell Pramod Sawant or tell Tulsidas Bab to go and raise the toast. It is my godfather's son. Anyways, I'm cooperating. Come, I'll sit with you all in the office. Chalo.